trying to figure out how to, do that and cover this up. So I'm just not sure what to do. If I should just put a piece of rubber like so and, just, I'm sorry, I'm just dying of thirst, man. I don't know if that's even recyclable goods that it accept to the camera. What do you have in thoughts to put that on? I really don't know, man. I want to keep the same color, right? So this is what I'm going to do. Nah, I'm not going to take that. I got this cover here, and it's staring you right in the face. And I'm simply going to cut a nice square. And I'm going to just keep on cutting it, right? So it looks like this. Now, I rounded off the edges. And the reason I rounded the edges off, because it won't interfere with that. There's just this little nipple, little button there. And I want to put it over the button for the reason of, every time I think I hit the record, sometimes I hit this one by accident. And I even hit the shutter, and I even hit this button. Well, this one protrudes more. So if I wanted to, and no longer use the focus, I can do that. But that one's a little trickier. This one is more indented. So I am going to take some glue off the camera. And I got here is Gorilla Clear. And I don't have to put a lot on, just a little. This takes about 2 hours to cure. I'm going to just put a little on the edge of it. Don't have to be a lot, just enough to get on the edge. And I'm going to do the other side as well. Now I'm going to do my best to get this on. Maybe a pair of tweezers would be better. I don't care what it looks like to you. Let that bad boy dry now. And my problem is solved. Hitting this button by mistake. You could come back later on. I'm glad I didn't waste all your time. But you see I colored red. I colored green.